It is time for a gratuitous teardown of a thing for no good reason at all. It's a LIDL air freshener. I say air freshener, but really these things are really more sort of air aromatizers. And it does just say plug and refill scented oil starter set with summer citrus. Now, the liquid, I have drizzled some into a bowl of water and it kind of like emulsified into a degree, but also an oily film occurred. I also have a cotton bud soaked in it, and I think this is actually oil. So I've got a fire extinguisher on hand here, and we can test this to see if it lights. It is supporting flame. The wick isn't going immediately black and sooty. I would say that's oil-based. Let's blow that out. Excellent. So an oil-based aromatizer. Now this thing is riveted shut. They've heat staked it. So I'm going to have to use a drill, and by sheer coincidence, I have my DeWalt, DeWalt, with the correct size drill nit that we can just drill these out with. I've never taken one of these particular ones apart, I don't think. Oh, I should have mentioned that you do have an option for adjusting the aroma level by rotating this end cap, and it's very hard to see what's inside. It looks as though there is a little port at the bottom. Oh, we'll find out once we open it. So let's open it. Is it going to open? Oh, yeah, it's opened. There is a little port. It's using the classic, let's zoom down this. Let's zoom down so we can actually see what this is here. It's using the classic resistor, 5 watt, 24K, little ceramic resistor, quite a small resistor for the 5 watt. But that is housed, it must be very heat resistant plastic. And it's got a spacer here, which is presumably, it's going to avoid getting the oil onto this resistor. But then this is down here. Oh, right, okay, I get it. It is just exposing more or less of the wick to the heat. So the thing is going to dissipate a fair amount of heat in there. Interesting. And fundamentally what happens is the oil soaks up this wick. It gets heated by this resistor in varying degrees depending on how much stench you want. And it vaporizes this oil into the air. I'm looking to see if there's any more information in these. Quite often the carrier oil is something along the lines of kerosene. With this sort of chemical aromas in it. But there we have it. It's just the same as most of these other ones, even the cheapest ones. It's a resistor, it's the little unit, and the only real difference to the cheapest of the cheap is that this one has the aroma control with this little port that can basically expose more or less of the wick to the heat. But there it is, the LIDL Air aromatizer unit. It's a fairly logical looking design. It's quite a nice plastic molding. It's designed universally for different countries by either the inclusion of this earth pin here for the UK options, and this bit inserts here for the contacts just to make manufacturing easier, but they can also presumably put in different housings there for different plugs. But that's it, a very simple device.